Welcome. So let's talk about the NTA NET analysis for paper 1. Now this time again you had a lot of questions from fallacies. So 2 questions directly from fallacy. You had question on which of the following is a reusable element. So under the 3 R's where we talk about the recycling and the reuse, it's very important to see which of the elements could be reused. So let's say tin can be reused, so a tin sheet could be converted into a tin can and can be reused. The next question talked about the audio formats and the video formats. So which of the following were the audio formats? So let's say MP4 we consider it as a video format. Then you had AVI, which is a audio format, and so on. Then there was question regarding the ratio and proportion. So let's say the original ratio of the age of a kid and a father is, let's say, 2:5. After 5 years the ratio changes to 3:5. Questions like those, so you have to 2x by 5x plus, let's say after 5 years the new ratio is 3/5. So this is the equation and you have to solve accordingly. The next kind of questions were related to the number series. You also had questions regarding the reading comprehension, which were much more indirect. So there was no direct reading comprehension this time across all sets. So those who are preparing for the June examination now, so don't worry, before the June examination we would be bringing up many more important topics. Definitely, as every time, we would be covering the expected questions. So keep in line with the recent happenings, the expected things that you actually expect in the examination paper, especially from the sections on environment and education. There was lot of questions from the expected sections that we had covered. Also, as we move along from the months of January, we would be covering section by section. So there are 10 units and we would be covering the most important questions across all the 10 sets of paper 1 that were covered for each of the units. So we would divide it unit by unit for your December 2019 paper, and the most important of those, let's say, all the environment in one go, all the education in one go, all the reasoning in one go. So we would be covering the most difficult and the most tricky questions from those. Stay tuned for many more updates from our side, and definitely wish you luck. Those who have already appeared, I wish you come up with flying colors, and looking forward to hear from you. And since you are done with your examinations now, in case you are looking for any of the work from home opportunities, job opportunities, feel free to drop in your resume at admin@examrace.com, and you do have a lot of opportunities with Examrace. Have a wonderful day ahead.